What do the future hold for the Diskaya couple on this highly controversial national issue? Curly Diskaya's birthday is on May 15, 1975, and Sara Diskaya's birthday is on November 10, 1976.
Okay, if I may digress for a while, no?
Yes, opo.
Sige. So, I've studied kasi itong, I call this the astrology of corruption.
May
And then,
ganun pala, astrology of corruption.
well, I studied, no? I studied, and there is such thing. In astrology, there is something called corruption of the planets. Corruption. Sometimes it will translate as some form of literal, no? Literal na corruption in the political world. No? So, in the Philippines kasi, somebody commented actually na maybe the Philippines merong corrupted planets. And actually, that is true. No?
Ah,
So,
really? Which one?
it's Saturn. Saturn is connected with land, flood control, no, system. So I saw that configuration in the chart of the Diskayas. So again, it's not really.
You mean for them as a couple, considering May 15, what sign is May 15?
It's more of the planet. No, both of their Saturn. Saturn kasi is connected with buildings, construction. Or
So
contractor.
you mean sa business nila, specifically?
Yes, on their natal chart, no, Saturn is called corrupted. No? So, if that is the case, for example, no, in terms of choosing candidates, in terms of choosing contractor for that matter, there is a system in astrology wherein somehow it will raise some red flags, no? So it's not automatic naman na corrupted, no? Yung person, no? It's more on kung may ganitong signature, kailangan nating busisiin, no? Mas mabuti, no? Which is what the Congress, no? And the Senate is doing right now. So yeah, no? So I think it's there. Parang personally, parang yun din ang dapat nilang halukayin sa sarili nila, no? And then as a nation, yun, titingnan natin talaga itong sitwasyon na to. Very important at